What's up? This is the RUIZU digital music player. And yeah, I bought something like this in 2025 in the world of Apple Music and YouTube Music. But okay, before I go into all that, here's a box, digital music player on the front. Then you got your barcode and shenanigans on the back. You got your dog who wants to eat it. And I got this through Amazon. How much did I pay for it? I'll put the price on screen. I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But it didn't cost that much. Less than, well, let me just put the number on the screen before I get it wrong here. Anyway, when you unbox it, you're presented with different ear tips you can use for the really cheap earphones that come with this MP3 player. And you have your actual player itself over here on the left. You also have booklets. This has random information and stuff on it. All the different controls and buttons. So if you want to see that, it's right here. And then you are presented with the actual player itself. It's a really nice all aluminum construction. Really nice buttons for the volume controls. I mean, not the volume controls. The skip and go back buttons, whatever. Your volume controls right here. It's really cool because it has really nice feedback and you can kind of hear it too. Get your power button at the top. What appears to be a solar panel, which I'd imagine doesn't actually charge the battery, but kind of keeps like date and time, different system information going. Similar behavior to my lab mic that I'm recording on right now. At the bottom, you have your aux cable and your aux port and your USB-C for transferring files. You can also transfer using the micro SD card right here. So that's pretty cool. Move the box away before Chai tries to eat that thing, even though we already eaten. And yeah, so powering it on, you're presented with time, but it should give you like the last screen that you use before you turn it off. And the screen's pretty responsive, not too laggy, not too cheap feeling. It's responsive, which I think is a higher priority over visual fidelity, to be honest. If something is really laggy, that just makes it feel super cheap. But responsive, then yeah, that's cool. We like that. So I don't mind the lower resolution screen. It's not about the screen, honestly. And really, to be honest, I was looking for one of these that didn't even have a screen. I just wanted like an iPod shuffle type thing, but something that was known for pushing really, really good audio. So if I power this thing back on and get to the thing, so you just got your music favorites, equalizer, a couple of different equalizer settings. I have mine set to heavy. I think that gives it a little bit more dimension to the music. Mac music set, folder, tools, and whatnot. I mean, it's really simple. I'm not going to go through all these settings. I just got some Lorna Shore in here that I downloaded from, I think it was called Bandcamp. And you can download actual waves or FLAC files from the bands themselves. And not for every artist, but they got a good amount of artists on there. Pretty cool way to discover new music. And also, yeah, in a world where Apple Music exists, why did I get something like this? Really because I started getting back into headphones and gear with the aux cable on it, and I just wanted something that was disconnected. It's as simple as that. If I'm going on a walk with my dog and I don't want to bring my phone with me, or maybe I'm skateboarding and I want to wear these earphones and these have the little loop on them so you can stay on my head, and I don't want my huge phone with me, I can skate with this comfortably and not really know it's there. So that's the main reason right there. The audio quality is amazing too. I don't use this as a DAC. I don't plug it up to my phone and then my headphones. I think that's way overkill. And honestly, the phone sounds good enough without all that stuff on it. So yeah, just really simply a offline music player. That's all I wanted, and that's what I got. The audio quality is pretty good. Listening to like FLAC files and whatnot, you hear a lot in the music. It's a similar experience to listening to vinyl the first time. It just sounds and feels different, but that's really the best way I can explain it right now. I'm no audio expert, but is it worth getting for the normal person nowadays in 2025? I would call it like a luxury item. You're not going to use it all the time, but it's nice to have if it's something that you want. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, as always, and more soon.